Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for you. Obtaining transcripts of YouTube videos. Whether you're a content creator looking for accurate captions or a curious viewer who wants to dive deeper into the video's content, having a transcript at your fingertips can be incredibly useful. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to easily get transcripts of YouTube videos. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Imagine you're watching a video on YouTube and you see those words at the bottom of the screen that match what the people are saying. That's called a YouTube transcript. It's like having subtitles for a video, but instead of just being there to help you understand what's being said, it's also a written version of the audio. Here's what you need to do to open the YouTube video transcript. Open the YouTube video. You want to get transcripted on your browser. Hit the three dots icon next to the download button. Select Show Transcript. You will get the transcript of the YouTube video on your PC along with the timestamp. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Your support means the world to us.